thanks for coming back. What have you brought with you today?
I have brought the Wooster MicroPlush fabric. And what's really unique about this fabric is everyone hears about microfibers.
Right.
And the difference between a MicroPlush filament, which has microfilaments inside of it, is the blend of filaments. So it picks the coating up, but it releases it very, very smoothly. And the way we finish it really makes a difference. What's really unique about this fabric is you could roll anything from acrylics out on the floor, varnish on the floor, so if someone's redoing a floor, or contractors a lot of times want to use wool pads.
Yep.
This will replace it. It'll leave no bubbles coming back. Or if you're painting a wall with an accent color, whether it's red or orange or yellow, it picks up the coating very, very well, but what it does is it releases a nice fine uniform film, and there's no pinholes in it, so it'll actually enhance the coverage, make it a lot easier for the person, the contractor or homeowner to use. So a lot of people want to use the accent walls, and a lot of people have higher walls.
Right.
And it does come in more than just the 9-inch size. We have anywhere from 4-inch all the way up to 18-inch.
Oh, wow.
And we also have it in a smaller, in our mini size also, that you use our special frame with at that point. So it does a lot of things. It lays coatings out very, very smooth. And the unique thing about it is the MicroPlush is only made from Wooster.
We love that. And I also love that you can do all of these sizes from the very smallest all the way through the project. You don't have to stop and get a different type of cover and then run the risk of potentially having the finish be a little bit different.
Exactly. So you can, whether it's trim, doors, or actually if you are rolling out the floors and you want to roll varnish up on the cabinets, it'll lay it off very, very smooth. It does come in different nap sizes.
Okay.
So if someone does want to use a little more coating out there, a lot of the contractors like the 9/16 nap, which relates to a 1/2-inch nap for most people. So that seems to be the most popular with the contractors. But the unique thing is it leaves it a very smooth finish.
So you have a 9/16 and also this 5/16. So
And
it's
a 3/4 if they really want to lay some coating out. Really after 9/16, that's your most popular, and especially with the contractors.
right.
It'll lay it off very smooth.
Perfect. Thanks for sharing this with us.
Thank you.